Hello everybody, I hope all of you doing great. So in this vlog we are going to discuss how to make your home feel modern, spacious and still totally functional. तो कैसे किया जाए, किस तरह से घर को हमें जो है एडजस्ट करना है कि बहुत ज़्यादा जगह भी नहीं है, लेट सपोज आप लोगों के पास, और बहुत मैसिव बजट भी नहीं है, तो हम किस तरह कौन से स्मार्ट ट्रिक्स हैं कि दैट कैन मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस. तो सबसे पहले जी ट्रिक नंबर 1 मैं आप लोगों को ये बताऊं कि वी शुड स्टिक विद लाइट न्यूट्रल कलर्स. ठीक है, वाइट्स, सॉफ्ट ग्रेज एंड बीज. दे बाउंस लाइट around and they instantly make any room feel bigger and fresher. And we should go for clean lines, no heavy patterns or bulky decor. And I would suggest you guys to use vertical space, like tall shelves, wall mounted cabinets, even hanging plants. They can draw the eye upward and make your space feel taller and more open. Next up we have mirrors. A well placed mirror, it can make a room feel twice the size. It's a bonus points if it reflects the natural light. It's like a cheat code for brightness in space. Also, we have to keep our house clutter free. It's a very simple but super effective tip that I'm gonna give you guys, that it keeps surfaces clear. Less clutter means more breathing room. We should try storage baskets, wall hooks. Okay, let's talk about furniture. I would suggest you guys for the multifunctional furniture, go for pieces that do more than one job, like beds with storage underneath, coffee tables that lift into work desks, or ottomans that double as seating and storage. It's all about saving space without sacrificing style. और एक और मज़े की चीज़ बताऊं कि जो फोल्डेबल फर्नीचर होते हैं ना, इट्स अ गेम चेंजर टू. A fold down desk, a stackable chairs, or a modular sofa that you can rearrange. It's super handy for small spaces. बहुत अच्छा रहता है. So yeah, modern and spacious doesn't have to mean minimalist or boring. With the right choices and a few clever pieces, your home can look great and work smarter.